LOC, Papa President Iboikin.
But I would like somebody to translate in Ateso. Somebody who can speak Ateso well. Akironyo. Kopango kumam. Idio mabel. Apoyo teach. But if you don't have a good AP,
Konyare mameje pi le orori.
or the one which is blocked,
Areja ijo loy sikakina.
you will never get the ajono.
Mamujo tepe yiri sinyokongun.
The ajono is there,
Eja sajono neni.
but you can't get it
Konye mamujo yiri chut.
because of the AP.
Nari dumuni sikakina ekone jokorokot.
And when you try to drink marwa like that without a pee,
Otamakicha ni jodo ongoba jononguna ngobo mame pi.
but when you drink it without a pee,
Ebakasi luankola ngina be asorob. Arima sije mame
the
pi.
beer can spread all over you like
Ibuko
this.
kino jisinyoka kwa na kiere.
So a pee is the AP
Anwa ngunu epi.
is ariko.
Epi le orori dojo kwenye
Eyala manoi.
Eyala mango noi.
Ariko oye! Ariko oye! Kaguta oye! Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
This team of NUP will galvanize NUP throughout the country and inside Buganda. And this is the beginning of our counterattack as a party.
We are here today to join the rest of the NRMs to support Honorable Edmond Ariko, His Excellency. We were denied a chance to bring out a candidate in Teso from the headquarters of NUP, and they had instructed us to support FDC. We told them no. NUP is independent, FDC is independent. And therefore, if you do not give us opportunity to bring our candidate, we will choose a candidate of our choice. And today, from yesterday, I personally joined the team Ariko and moved on ground with my red beret to show them that we are ready.
Kopakine Medera, Nejai, Ejakait, Edmond Herbert Ariko, Kwape Teatarisa Nen, Ajeningebe, Raina Iborene Polo Noi, Polo Kakironu Noi, General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, Opone Angon. Eyamanoi, Enaramoye! Ariko oye! Museveni oye! Ikota siala mikine sukere, Kanua Bunerene, Download
the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.